Alright, now I got the burner clean, which all that amounts to is taking the bolts out, cleaning the ash out of the bottom of the burner, and putting the bolts back in there. I put the bolts in like you were building a campfire as opposed to stacking them like a waffle. Some people prefer to do it that way. I find I get a better burn this way. Anyway, so once that's accomplished, we take the burner, put it in there. Then I take my mixture of bad gasoline and kerosene, pour it in there. Next thing I'm going to do is just light a little piece of paper towel. I've already added my gasoline and my kerosene, and that goes like that. And now I'll let that burn for a few minutes, burn that piece of paper towel down. Alright, now the fire's burning pretty good. Over here is my control switch for my fan. As you can see, or probably hear, it really takes off now. So now all I do is close the door. Here, turn this valve on, turn this valve a quarter of a turn, and wait for it to warm. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes or so since I fired this heater up, and we're up about 400 degrees, and that's on a quarter of a turn. Not seeming to have any water issues today, which is a good thing. A lot of times with a little moisture in there, it takes it a while to burn that off. As you can see, I've got a fan up there. A fan there, a fan there. I don't use them all at the same time, but just as I need them. And of course the building has a ceiling fan, another ceiling fan which helps keep it out of the rafters, and we are still cooking. Pretty simple design. I took a bunch of designs off the internet, all the things that worked best for me in my garage. And put them in, and it works really well. The hardest part now is getting oil, but what can you do? Thanks for watching. Bye.